So hi, my name is Alisa Christina Nakmai. My numeric is 112890. So for this video, I will do video presentation for my course assignment, which is KMK 1123, and my lecturer is Dr. Nofatiha binti Man Yusof. So first and foremost, I will present my introduction, which is what I can understand about calculus and linear algebra. So calculus is study of the continuous chains, or maybe we can say the rate of chains. Meanwhile, linear algebra is more focused on matrix, vector, and also linear transformation. So I will give example for this, which is in calculus. They have like two types that are quite common, which is derivative, the rate of change, that will tell you exactly speed that moment you look at the speedometer. Meanwhile, integral, which is accumulation, cause we can say that they can calculate area under the curve. So meanwhile that linear algebra, they have like two vector, which is like vector is just like data. Imagine that you are controlling a character in a game. So to move them, the game need to use a vector like 3 2, while metric maybe like suppose you want to the game character is suddenly become a giant, so you need to apply a scaling metric. So metric is transform, meanwhile vector is more to data. So now I move to discussion, which is we need to tell about two real world application in AI and also quantitative science. So I start with AI, artificial intelligence. For example, I will say Netflix recommendation system. Why? Because we can say this like the user item metric. So the row is like user and the column is about movie. So we know that in Netflix they have a lot of movie, so they will use a metric factorization to maybe like from the bigger become the small one. And so they have like two, they divide by two, which is one is your own preference, maybe you like scientific things. So second, they will see like maybe how many likely you use, or maybe like you watch that movie. Example like maybe you watch a lot of action, so in recommended they will out full of action. So other than that, in cognitive science, example is I will give like brain computer interface, which is BCI, maybe like robotic limb. So this is like to allow paralyzed individual to actually used by a robotic limb. And other than that, the real world application, I will say that medicine or healthcare, and also architecture and engineering. Then I move to reflection, which is important of mathematics. In maybe first and foremost, I will say problem solving. This is because in mathematics we need to from the biggest things, and we need to break down into the smallest one, which is like from something big like maybe like any mathematic calculated, so it become the smaller one when you need to break down step by step. So we need to thinking how actually we need to solve the problem. So other than that, I will say career opportunity, which is in mathematics they have a lot of career opportunity, actually like finance, or maybe we say modern banking, and a lot of them that actually can be related to mathematics. And maybe like calculus and engineering, calculus and linear algebra we can say maybe in engineering, like that. So last but not least, I will say cognitive development, which is like the study of mathematics can stimulate cognitive development in students. So as they grapple with mathematical concepts, so students will enhance their memory, attention, and also reasoning ability. And this mental benefit will extend beyond the mathematics classroom, positively impacting academic performance across the various subjects. And the conclusion, mathematics is kind of foundation to something big like artificial intelligence (AI), and help women a lot by give us problem skill, career opportunity, and also collective development. Thank you.